Welcome to Selby Community Fridge, a place where there's free, fresh food for all.
I got a good feeling, I'm just taking it all in, floating up and dreaming, dropping into the deep end. And if we're long enough, they'll sing a song for us, and we'll belong. Giving second chances, I don't need all the answers. Feeling good in my skin, I just keep on dancing. And if we're long enough, we'll see it's all for us, and we'll belong. And it's just another day with our friends all pass away. It's okay.
Is the fact it aims to reduce waste. We're looking at taking our waste food from our local supermarkets such as Tesco's and Co-op and giving that back out to the community.
All I can do to keep you safe is hold you close till you can.
We'll be open Mondays 12 till 6, Wednesdays 12 till 4 and Fridays 12 till 4. And every one of those days will be fully stocked and ready to go. Of course, on those days you can always come and donate as well. We'd love to have donations from households and other local businesses. I'd like to thank Selby District Community for being so responsive to our social media posts. Every follow, like and share that any of you do means the world to us, so please continue doing so. It's so important to get this message out as widely as possible, but also know that you can now pop down in person too from Monday onwards, so it'd be great to see as many faces through the door as possible, whether you're here to collect, donate or have a chat. We'd love to see you, because we've all got something to offer to the local community fridge and we can all do our part. Any other inquiries at all, my name is Charlotte and I'm the project coordinator, and if you just email communityfridge@selbybiglocal.org.uk, I'll be sure to answer any of your questions.